So, start now.
Yeah, we can.
So, in last class, we have covered regarding the enterprise structure, right? And
Yes,
what is enterprise structure and what are the different levels of our enterprise structure. And after that, we have completed like how to create the company, right?
yes. So the company and company code will be created by the FICO department. Only MM will be taking care of plant, storage location, PO,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, yes.
Your purchasing organization.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here, what you have to do, you just have to remember like what is the path to create the company code. Like it is not the part of the MM, but then also we should remember what are the path to create
Okay,
this thing. Yes. So
understand.
like to create the company, we have gone through SPRO screen, and then after SAP reference IMG. Then after there was enterprise structure. So then definition, the financial accounting, the define company. So this was the path to create company. So similarly for the creation of company code, we will go for the same path almost of to like financial accounting. The path will same, right? So then after we'll go for the copy, delete, check company code. Okay, let me just log in. So first what we have to do, we have to put here SPRO. The T code is SPRO. Then SAP reference IMG. Then after enterprise structure. So within enterprise structure, then definition, then financial accounting, and here we have defined the company, right, in the last class. So today we'll
Yeah.
go for the company. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So today we'll go for the company code. So here you'll find the company code. Within the financial accounting, there is another option: edit, copy, delete, check company code. Right. This one. So click on execute. So then after you have to go for the copy, delete, check company code. See, company code plays an important role in SAP, right? Because all the loss profit account, all the general ledger account, everything linked to the company code, right? So company code you can take as like it is the center thing, right? So whatever the transactions, so whatever the things will happen, that will be through the company code level only, right? So that's why what we have to do, we have to create the company code by copying from the standard one. So when we are going to implement SAP in any company, so SAP will give you the best practices, right? So to follow those part, we can create our new one. Getting? So similarly, when we are going to create a new company code, what we have to do, we have to copy from the standard company code, right? So if I'll go for this one, right? So here you will find the screen like this. Then here you will find a copy option here. You have to go for
Okay.
the copy option. Then from company code means what, these are the standard company code. So here you will find a lot of company code because it is a practice system, but when you will work in the real time, you will find 2 to 3 company code which will be the standard one, right? So example, like 0001, 1000, right, and 1010. So these are the some standard company code, right? When you will purchase the server from the like SAP end, right, so SAP will give you the manual which is the standard company code. So what we have to do, we have to copy from the standard one, right? But yes, the FI team maybe create from the new entry, right? They can create a new one, like completely new without copying, right? Because they know what are the fields is linked to the company code, right? But as a MM consultant, we don't have that much idea, right? And we don't have the authorization for the GL creation, right? So that's why what we have to do, we have to copy from the standard one. Got it?
No, I don't. Why do we need to copy from the standard one? The
Because
company code should be always unique, right? For every company should have a unique code, right?
yes, we have to create the unique code, right? But see, in a company code, there are many fields are associated with that field only, right? Example like a general ledger account, right? A company may have like a 10 to 15 GL account, right? So currently we cannot create those things, right? And with that there will be certain number ranges also, right? So that's why as a MM consultant we don't know how to create the company code and what are the fields associated with the company code, right? So in current time when you will do the practice you just copy from the standard one, getting, and it is not our it will be not our work as well, right? It will be the work of the FI, right? So since we need to practice, so that's why we have to copy the company code. Got
Okay.
it? Yes. So during practice time many people are doing the same mistake. So they are just using the existing company code. So if
So,
you need,
MM people definitely cannot create the company code.
Mhm.
Just for learning purpose, we are using the created one. Am I
Yes,
right?
yes, but you
Usually,
cannot.
MM people will not create any company code.
Yeah, in real
So,
time you
just
don't need
for
to
learning
create.
purpose, you are going to use the available ones, right?
Yes, yes. But see, currently, when your server in your server, when you will do the practice, right, you should create your own like a company code by copying from the standard one. Now, whatever I am going to do, right? Why I am not using the existing one? Let example, some people are creating a company code. They did some mistake, right? So when you will practice it within that company code, you will face some like errors and all, right? So initially whatever the steps I am following you just have to blindly follow those steps. Got it?
No, my question is
Mm-hmm.
while working in a company,
Hmm.
um, so if a MM person has to create a company code,
Hmm.
so do they have to create one from the standard
MM person cannot
company?
create the company code because it is not our work. FICO consultant will create the company code.
Okay,
Yes. So that's why I'm copying from the standard one. Okay.
okay.
So in my server, there is a standard company code that is called as the 1710. This is the standard company code 1710. So from company code will be 1710 and two company code. Two company code means what we want to create. So we have decided to make our company code at PUNI, I think. We have decided to give the company code name as this one, PUNI, right? So so this is the company code already we have decided, right? We have planned. So I have give the company code as this one, then click on copy. So now you will find the pop-up like this. Do you want to copy the GL account? You have to click on yes. Do you want to copy the assignment of controlling area? I just have to click on no because I have to create my own controlling area. Do you want to allocate the different local currency of the company code? You have to click on yes. So the our company existing into India, so the currency will be INR. So it will be INR. Click on continue. Certain data was not copied. That is fine. Continue. Continue. Then continue again. Do you want to transport number ranges? If you can go with yes, that will be fine. No, also fine. So click on no. Then click on yes. Then you will find a pop-up like this. When the small pop-up will come, that means it is already like created. So PUNI company code already created, right? So that's why like a pop-up will come. So in this
So,
time,
what does this mean here? From that company to, see,
hmm,
uh, from we have used some standard company code, right? To
hmm,
we are creating new company code. So,
hmm.
actually, what we are doing here?
Let me cover the part, then we'll cover. ठीक है? अभी अभी क्या करना है? Just cancel this one, then cancel this one. Now click on continue. So if you'll check here, your company code like you once like PUNI have been created, right? So now what is your question? Like already we have the standard company code. Let example 1710, right? So we have a standard company code in my server that is 1710, and now I have created my own company code like PUNI. So what is your question? Why I am creating PUNI or like what?
No, we can directly create PUNA, right? Why are we copying from 1710 to
That
PUNA?
that thing I have explained you three times now. Because 17, when I will go for the new entry to create like company we have created by new entry, right? We just click on new entry, then we have given the address and all, right? So if you'll go for the like company code in that way, right? So many fields are associated with company code because company code plays an important role, right? So currently I have copy from the standard one. The system asks me whether we can copy the controlling area or not, whether we can copy with the number ranges or not, right? Whether we can copy the GL account or not, right? So that means these are the different field which is associated with the company code. If I will not copy from the standard one, that means you have to create the GL account, you have to create the like number range, you have to create the many things which is associated with the company code. So that's better कि whatever the existing company code we have copy from that one. Got it?
Okay.
Yes. So this way you have to create the company code like PUNI we have created, right? So now what we have to do when we have copy from the 1710, right, company code to PUNI, right? So that means the address of 1710 is copied to PUNI. The name also copy from like 1710 also. So now what we have to do, just go back, go for the edit company code, go for edit company code. Just go for the position and search your company code what you have created. So we have created now PUNI. So now our company code is coming here. But the name is different here. Why? Because we have copy from the 1710. If you search here the 1710, 1710 company code name is this one. So that since we have copied from this one, right? So PUNI company code name is also same. So now what we have to do, I have to change this one. So how to do? So just double click here and change the company code name. So company code is the let example company code, right? So then the you can give the address additional India. This is let example Bangalore. Currency is fine. This is this is India, right? Country is India, currency is INR, it is fine. And if you want to change the complete address, right, this is the short address. If you want to know the like a complete address, you just go for the this tab. Here you will find the complete address, so you can change the complete address as well. So let example I will put the company code search term, what you have to search to find the company code. So let example I just search the Punitha. So these are the different option you can change as per the company requirement. Right. Whatever the thing here you can change. So now you can save this one. So this way the finance team will create the company code. So here for the practice purpose only we have created the company and company code. Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay. So after company code, we'll go for our work. That will be the creation of the plant. The third level is the creation of plant, right? So next part is plant. So what is the plant? I have explained. Can you remember what is plant?
The company, the company will have it branches in different places. That is the plant, right?
That may be the head office of the company. That may be the manufacturing unit. That may be the like distribution in like level, right? So those are called as the plants. Okay. So how to create the plan? So within financial accounting, we have to create the company code only. Then just minimize this one. Then you have to go for the logistic general. Okay. So within logistic general, you will find the option here plant, define plant. So click on execute here. Then go for the new entry, right? So give the plant name. So we have decided the name as PUN1, I think, right? So this is so let example uh, plant one, right? So in this screen, what you have to do, you just have to give the factory calendar only, right? Name two also you can give, right? Name two means what? If the plant having some other name, you can give the name. Let example, it is the Bangalore plant, right? Okay, anything if you want to give, you can give the plant name as well, right?
And manufacturing plant, like that, right? Storage plant. Yeah, I think.
Not
Yes, for
storage location is different. It is plant. Within plant only there will be the storage location.
okay,
We have explained you like this was company, then company code, then plant, then storage location.
okay,
Right? Okay. So plan. So here we have to put the factory calendar only. Factory calendar will be created by the like HR team, right? They will give a code for the factory calendar. Factory calendar means what? Where we can mention the like holidays list of the plant and all, right? So here what we can choose? We can choose as the India. So there is a factory calendar for the India, right? So you can choose this one, right? So put this one, then click enter. Just go for save. If you go for the save, you will find a pop-up like this, right? Where you have to put the details of the plan. So plan may be a company, that may be in a person's name, right? So I will take as the company let example, and the name is the plan one, right? A search term, like you can give the search term on by searching this name only, you will find in your plan. So search term, then details of the address. Let example, let number is 02 and house number is this one. Postal code was this one. And this is country is India and a region means state, right? From which state it belongs to. Let example 36. I'm just taking. So I'm just taking the randomly, right? So you have to give accordingly the as per the company. So here you can give the like a communication language is English, telephone number, mobile number, fax number of the plant, right? All details you can put. Then click on save, right? So this way you have to create a plant. So we have created one plant. Then we have decided to create two plant. So PUN1 and PUN2, right? So we have created one. So I will create the second one. So I can go for the new entry again to create the second one. Otherwise, what I will do, I will just click on this one. I will copy from this one. I will
Uh,
copy.
Ajit, could you please go from where did we, the main page where we started to create the plant? Could you please show once again?
Yes, yes, yes. No doubt. Okay.
Sorry.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay. Okay. So this was the easy access screen, right? So then we are
yes.
putting here the SPRO.
Oh, yes.
Then in SAP reference IMG.
Okay.
Then
And then,
you have to go for the enterprise structure.
yes.
Then definition. Then logistic general. Within a financial accounting, we have created company code.
Oh, company,
Within a
company code.
logistic general, we are creating the plant, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So go for the here. Then here you will find the defined plant. Defined plant.
Uh, Define plant. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Click on execute. So here already we have created. If we'll go for the position, position is for the search, right? So we have created PUN1. You just find here the PUN1. We have created here, right?
Okay.
How we are creating? Just go for the new entry, right? So let example, I will create another plant. I will go for the new entry, then give the plant code name, whatever you have decided, right?
So we can copy also, you said, right?
Yes, you can do the copy as well, right? I just create your new one again, PUN2.
How
Then
to
I
copy it?
just go back. I just select, just this is the delete option. I just delete this one. So click on save. So we have created PUN1, right? So go for position, PUN1. I select the line item. This is selected. You have to check this checkbox. Then click on copy option. This is the copy option.
Okay.
Click on copy. So
Either we can go for new entry or we can copy and we
yes,
can edit and change again, right?
yes, yes, yes. So here I just copy, right. So I will give the name is different and code is also different because already it is created. So the second
Two.
plant code will be PUN2 and the name I have decided as PUN2 and plant. You can give some other name, and here factory calendar is the same. So click enter. Then here you can change the address as well, right? So whatever the thing you want to change, you can change. Then click enter. Then click on save. So now the plant have been created. Done. Okay. So plant is created. After plant, we have to create the what storage location and purchasing organization.
Okay.
So where we have to create. So within logistic general, we have to create only plant, right? So then minimize logistic general. Then you have to go for the material management. You have to
Okay.
go for the material management. See,
Plant can be covered
in,
under
in,
logistics general.
in any field,
Company
we
can
don't
go
have
under
to.
accounting.
Uh, okay. In every field, we don't need to like you work, right? Because all the consultant will work in this screen, right? The sales SD people will work on sales and distribution. FI team will work on finance and accounting as well as controlling, right? So as a MM consultant, we have to work on the logistic general and material management as per our requirement. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So then now go for the material management.
Mm.
Within material management, here you will find the maintain storage location. So click on execute. So put the plant first. So that means once you have
PUN.
created the plant, then only you can create the storage location.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So our plant we have decided as PUN1. So click enter. So you will find the screen like this. So go for the new entry. So let example we have given the storage location code as 1000. This will be the four character code. You can give any code name. There will be no issue,
But
right?
it should be number, no
Yes.
letters.
Letter B also possible. There will be no issue. Alphabet,
Okay.
numerical or alphanumerical. So let us
Alphabetical.
this is the raw material store, right? This is the raw store, right? So similarly, let us I will create another storage 2000 where we can store the finished good material, right? And I will create a store like a PUNI let example, right? And where we will store the general, which is the general store. So this way the company, the plant may have multiple storage location, right? Then click on save, right? So this is the storage location, three storage location we have created within PUNI. So similarly, I have to create the storage location within PUN2. So go for again. So put here the second plant PUN2. Click enter. Go for the new entry. You can give the same code as well, no issue, right? You can take the different code, otherwise you can give the same code as well. There will be no match. So this is a
So for each plant, there will be storage location.
yes, definitely, because in plant we are using different material, right? To store those metal, there we need like
So
storage.
each plant can have many storage location also, right?
Yes, 10 to 12, 15
Then
storage.
we can create under PUN1, we can create 100
Hmm.
1001 like that.
Hmm.
Whatever.
Yes, you can go in that way as well.
For example, for different materials, we can create different storage plans under
Yes,
one
yes,
plant.
yes,
Okay,
yes, definitely.
storage locations.
It is a raw store. Ladies and gentlemen, second one is I have created. I'm talking taking the training in a format. That's why I'm just going in that way, which will be easy for the remember. That's why.
Okay.
Okay.
So when I join, will this be repeated or from the continuation only it will go?
It's up to you. Already I have given the like training in the training as I am taking for the student, right? If you want to take again, it will be fine. Otherwise, I have the recording. I will share the recording. You
What
can
about
listen.
for new students? New students will be joining, right? In that.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So I have created three storage location. Let example. Then click on save. Right. So within PU N2 we have created three storage location. So storage location we have to create this way. So then last one is maintain purchase organization. Last one is maintain purchase organization. So click on execute. So here you have to go for the new entry. So give the purchase organization name. So I am just giving the purchase organization name is PUNI let example. Right. You can give some other code as well. There will be no issue. But I am taking in the same name because it will be easy to remember. So this is purchase organization. So click enter, click on save.
So we are linking this with the plant.
We'll do now, right? So till time,
Oh,
what we have to do, we what
see
we have.
here, storage location we are
Mhm.
creating for the already created plant, right?
Yes, yes. I've just
But
explained.
what about the purchase organization? We are not linking it with the
I'm
plant
going for
storage.
that. I'm going for that. Right? I'm
Okay.
going for that. Till time we have completed as
We'll
per our
create
requirement.
one and then we will link it, right?
Yes. So we have created company, company code, plant, storage location, and purchase organization, right? But how the system will recognize this company code belongs to this company, or this plant belongs to this company code, right? The system cannot recognize, right? So for that only, what we have to do, we have to do the assignment. Assignment means what? We have to link this company code to the company, so that system will recognize this company code belongs to this company,
Mhm.
right? Then after we'll do the link of plant to the company code. So the system will recognize this plant belongs to this company code. Got it? And
Okay.
storage location link is not required because during creation of the
So we
storage
are
location
already
already
creating.
assigned. Yes. But yes, purchase organization we have to link with the plant and company code. As I had said earlier, the purchase
Mhm.
organization is always coming with company code, otherwise plant. Right?
Okay.
So what will be the difference if the purchase organization is linked to the company code and to the plant? What will be the difference? I will explain you. So first, let me complete the assignment part first, right? So how to do the assignment? Just go back. So see, within the definition, we have defined everything, right?
Mhm.
Within definition, within enterprise structure, then definition, we have defined everything. So definition, I just minimize this one. Then below to that, you will find the option assignment. Here,
Mhm.
assignment. So go for the assignment. So then you will find here the option financial accounting. Within assignment, you will find the option assignment financial accounting. Within financial accounting, go for that. Then here you will find assign company code to company.
Okay.
So click on execute here. So see, when you practice, you may find a option like error message like this. The data is locked by the user. This one, right? Sometimes what will happen in the server, like we are practicing, right? There will be almost 30 to 33 users will be there, right? So when we are doing any configuration in the screen, right, maybe some other people will do the same configuration. In that time, the data will lock. This is one option. Second one option is we may be open like multiple page in our screen. In that time also the data will be locked, right? So now this is a other user. This is not my username, right? So this is a other
Okay.
user who have logged the data. To unlock this data, what we have to do? You have to go to C code called as SM12. SM12. So see, here SM12 is a T code, but before that I just use slash O. Why? Because if I will go with SM12, it will not open. Why? Because already I have opened a page. So if you have opened a page, you cannot go for the next screen. Any other T code cannot work here. So for that only, what you have to do, you just put slash O SM12, so that what will happen? The current page will be here, right? But a new page will open again, right?
Okay.
So it will
So
work
whatever if you want to open whatever new page, if you put a slash o, it will be opened
with
in a new page.
with the T code, with the T code, slash
Okay.
O plus T code. Yes,
So even if we want to create another SPRO, if you put slash o SPRO, then it will
yes,
go to the creation page.
yes,
What is
yes.
the slash n?
Slash n means what? You just omit this page. Current page will be like you omitted, right? Within that page, there will be a new page. I just show you, right? So now I'm just putting slash OSM12. So click enter. So you will find a new screen here, right? And if you go to here, you will find a two screen. The existing screen was the previous screen was is also exist, and a new screen is also present, right? But if I will put the slash n, let us jump this is a screen. I just put here slash n mm01. This is another T code, right? Slash n mm01. Then click enter. So you will find a new screen. You will find a new screen, and if you go to the bottom, you will find the two screen only. Means the second screen was just omitted, and in that place there is a new screen open. Got it or not?
Yes.
Yes. So now we will go for the SM12. SM12. So in the username. Here my user is coming. I just put here the star, then click on search, right? So these are the data which is logged by the other users. I just select all, then click on delete, right? It is fine. Now go to the SPR screen. Now go for the assignment of company code again. You'll find like this. So here go for the position, search here company code. Our company code was PUNI. So click here.
So
So
position is always to search the created companies.
because we have created that one.
Yeah, yeah, no, that is the position is to always find out the created companies, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So put here the company code. We have created the company code as PUNI 01, I think. Yes. This was the company code we have created. So put here, then click on save. Right? That means the company is linked to the company code. So now we'll go for the next one. And then minimize the financial accounting, then go for the logistic general. Go for the
So even though I'm not financial accounting person, I can try creating a company and company code.
yes, you have to. For the practice purpose, you have to do that.
Okay.
Yes.
But one thing
In
is the
real
company
time,
code
yes.
copy from the standard one.
Yes.
Okay.
So go for the logistic general now, right? Within the assignment only, you have to go for the logistic general. So then you will find the option assign plan to the company code. So click on execute. See, so here you will find the option new entry, and here everything is in the display mode, right? So that's why you have to go with the new entry, then put your company code. So our company code we have created as PUNI, and the plant we have created as PUN1. So now company code linked to the plant. That means our company code having one plant, but we have two plant. So put your company code again, then put your second plant, PUN2.
Okay.
So that means the company code having two plant,
Okay.
right? But now question arising whether we can like assign one plant to the multiple company code or not. A company code may have multiple plant, right? But
Yes.
one plant may have multiple company code. Is it possible or not?
No, 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 it
Not
cannot possible.
possible. Okay, fine. Just click on save. Now go back. It is done. Within logistic general, we have assigned the plan to company code. Then minimize this one. Then go for the material management. So go for the material management. Here we have to assign the purchasing organization to company code. Purchasing organization to company code. Execute. So here it is in the display mode. It is in the editable mode, and here there is no new entry. So you have to go for the position. So what was our purchase organization? Purchase organization was PUNI, and company code was also PUNI, right? So see, here it is coming as the Puneet company code,
Will be
and here
same.
it is coming as the.
Purchase organization and company code both can be same.
Oh yeah, I have given the same code, but you can take the same code as well as you can give the different code. There will be no issue because the system is recognized from their end. There will be no issue. So see here in purchase organization place, I have given the PUNI, so that system is automatically taking as this is the purchase organization. You are putting the company code, but system is taking as the
Mm.
company code. You cannot take it
Okay.
randomly.
Understand,
Got
understand.
it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now purchase organization linked to the company code. So now go back. So second, we can assign the purchase organization to plant. Assign purchase organization to plant. So click on execute. So here there is no such editable mode. Your new entry is present. So go with new entry. So put your purchase organization. Purchase organization is PUNI, and our plant was PUN1. So it is fine. So similarly, I will link to the same purchase organization to the second plant. So I will give the second plant as PUN2. So click enter, then click on save. Right. So our purchase organization linked to the plant. Why we are linking the plant? Why when we will link to the company code? I will explain it. Right. I just complete the configuration. Right. It is done. So then the third configuration is here. Ki assign standard purchase organization to the plant. Assign standard purchase organization to the plant. So click on execute. So here just go for the position. Our plant was PUN1. So put here the purchase organization as PUNI. Right?
So why are we doing this? We already linked it with plant, right?
And this is standard purchase organization. So that's why the system is giving three thing. I will explain you why we are doing this one.
Okay.
Okay, just click on save. So this much is the configuration of assignment. Like we have linked the plan, company code, purchase organization with each other. Now come to the why this three configuration here is here, right? One is assign purchase organization to company code. What was the company code? Let example, there is a purchase organization will link to the Reliance group. Reliance is a let example Tata Motors. Okay, with the Tata Motors is a company code, right? If I will link the purchase organization to Tata Motors, right? That means within the Tata Motors, right? Whatever the material will purchase, that will be taken care by this purchase organization. That means it is a centralized purchase organization because it will take care of entire Tata group, Tata Motors. Got it?
No, no. Can you repeat?
See, let example, there is a Tata Motors, right? Tata Motors indicates to the all Tata Motors all over India में जितना टाटा मोटर्स है कि मैं ऑल ओवर दी वर्ल्ड में जितना टाटा मोटर्स इट इंडिकेट्स टू ऑल द टाटा मोटर्स राइट
Okay.
second one is there is a Tata Motor office in the Bangalore. This is a plant, right? Bangalore plant of Tata Motors, right? What I will do, I will link purchase organization PUNI. PUNI is our purchase organization to Tata Motors, right? Means company code के साथ मैं link किया. So what will happen? So this purchase organization will take the responsibility of entire Tata Motors. Got it? कि all over
But
world जितना
this
Tata.
purchase organization belongs to another company, right?
What do you say?
This PUNI belongs to my this PUNI purchase organization
Yes.
belongs to my company, right?
Not getting. Repeat
So
again.
we this purchase organization
Hmm.
we have linked with the company called Punita company, right?
I'm just taking the example. I just take the example. So see, you can go with this one otherwise.
Mm. So that PUNI was created for my company.
Leave that. I've just explained you ki what is the if I will link a purchase organization to a company code, what will happen? If I will link to a plant, what will happen? And why we are doing the standard purchase organization. Got it?
Sorry.
If I will link a purchase organization PUNI, right? So similarly, I
Mm.
have created the company code as a PUNI. So, but why I have taken the Tata Motors, right? Just explain you. So PUNI is our company code, right? And
Yes,
PUNI is our purchase organization,
yes,
right?
yes, yes,
So
yes,
that
yes.
means what? If I will link this purchase organization to company code, right? So that
Yes,
means this purchase organization will take the responsibility of entire company code.
yes, yes, yes,
Got it?
yes.
So come to the second. So we have a plant named as PUN1 and another
Mm-hmm.
one is
PUN1,
PUN2.
2.
N2,
Yes,
right? If I will link the purchase organization to PUN1, right? So that
mm-hmm.
means one PUNI. So see, first thing confusion is we have created one purchase organization. If I will
Mm.
create multiple purchase organization, it will be easy to recognize the thing, right? But I have created one, so that's why I'm explaining in a one purchase organization.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Okay, okay,
I just consider, let example, we have two purchase organization. Just
okay,
understood. Okay? We have two purchase organization. One is, let example, in I am giving some different name, right? So nothing to worry. So let example, this is a purchase organization Ajit one, and second purchase organization is Ajit two. ठीक है? So
okay,
Ajit one is a purchase organization, right?
okay,
Which is
okay,
linked to a company code that is called as the PUNI. ठीक है?
okay, okay,
PUNI is a company code with who is with whom we have linked the purchase organization Ajit.
okay.
But it's Ajit to nahi, Ajit one. We have linked
Okay.
purchase organization Ajit one. That
Okay.
means Ajit one purchase organization will take the responsibility of PUNI company code, entire company code. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Let example,
So
I will link the
purchase organization need not to be particularly for the same one company. It can be for any company, right?
company code.
See, for example, if you have a company,
Hmm.
um, if I have a company on my name as Punita, then
Hmm.
I will be having so many plants in different places,
Hmm.
like PUN1, PUN2. Even
Hmm.
under that, again, I will have some storage locations. Okay,
Yes.
so those plants and storage locations are all for the same companies. But the
Yes.
purchase organization is we are just creating and linking to whatever company we want, right?
Yes.
But
Yes.
there is no link between the purchase organization and company. See,
Company
for
code.
company, I will have different plans, and again, under the different plans, I will have different storage locations.
Hmm.
But purchase organization will also be there for my company, or it
Plant.
will be linked to.
So see, go to this one, right? What we
Yes,
created? We have created company,
yes,
company
Punita,
code,
Private
plant,
Limited.
right? So these are
Yes,
the things we have created,
yes, 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 yes,
right? So first, what we did, so company code coming under the company, right? This company
yes.
code coming under the company, so that's why
Mm.
we do the interlink, right?
Yes, yes, okay,
Then
yes,
these are the plant coming under the company code, right?
yes,
So we do the configuration
yes.
between plant and company code, right?
Yes.
So that
Storage
is
locations comes under
yes.
plant.
Similarly, plant storage
We are
location,
linked. Yeah,
right?
we already linked it while creating itself.
Yes. Similarly,
Yes.
purchase organization is linked to the company code. The purchase organization is linked to the company code. It
Mhm.
may be linked to the plant, right? So purchase organization have the role. Can be linked to the company code
And
as
also the
well
plant.
as to the plant.
And there will be like how a company has plant and its own storage location, so it will
Hmm.
have its own purchase organization also, right?
Yes, because within the company, Tata Motors, ladies and Tata Motors have the budget to purchase some material, right? Which will
So it
be
will have its
valid
own
for
purchase
entire.
organization.
Huh.
Right.
It may be
Outside,
anything. It may be anything.
outside, okay, outside purchase organization cannot be linked to some other company.
It may be linked to the some other company code, not company. So see, you have to say the SAP
What is the
words, right?
reason for that? Why it has been linking to other company codes? I
Because
thought the purchase organization, like how the company will
see,
have
see,
its own plant and own storage locations. I
uh,
thought it will have its own purchase organization as well.
See, you should understood the structure first, right? What is the company? What is company code? Let example, company is the Reliance industry, right? Company
Yes,
code means what? Reliance Digital, Reliance Mart, Reliance like a petroleum, right? So these are the one company code, right?
yes,
So one purchase organization can be linked to the different company code. Company code means what? So Reliance Group having a company code, Reliance Group having a purchase organization which will take the responsibility of purchasing activity of Reliance Mart, Reliance Digital, Reliance like petroleum also. Is it possible or not?
yes, yes, yes,
That
yes.
means a purchase organization can be linked to the multiple company code.
But multiple company code, but under the same company, right?
Yes, yes. So that's why
Ah,
I've just told
yes, yes.
you कि like
That is what
when
is my
you
doubt. So the
pronounce
company will have its own purchase organization,
mm,
but will be linked to many company codes of the same or same company. It cannot be linked
yes,
to, for example, if the purchase organization for Punita Private Limited company cannot be linked to another company's company codes, right?
it's not possible. It's
If I
not
have the
possible.
company code, right, PUNI, PUNI1, PUNI2,
Mm,
PUNI3, so I can link all these company codes, but I cannot
mm.
go and link with your company code, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Exactly. Right. And similarly, the purchase organization can link to the multiple plant within the same company code. Right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But it's all within the same company, right?
Yes. Some
It
company
will
code.
can
Yes.
happen.
Within the same company, within the same company code. Right.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay.
And what will be the difference if I will link to the company code, purchase organization to the company code, right? So basically, when we are using that, so when we are making some contract, scheduling agreement, in that case, we will use the centralized purchase organization, right? When we are linking to the purchase organization to the company code, right? So this purchase organization can be used for the centralized contract. What are those things we will learn in future, right?
Okay.
And when we are linked to the plant, why it is mandatory? Because when you are going to purchase any material, right, the material is
Mhm.
always procure in plant level only. मेटेरियल हमेशा ना प्लांट लेवल में प्रोक्योरमेंट होता है, कंपनी कोड लेवल पे नहीं होता है, राइट? तो इट
So
विल
they
बी
don't have any, this
okay.
in.
So
Okay.
material is always procured in a company that will be in the plant level, not the company code level, right? So to
Yes, yes.
procure any material in a plant level, the purchase organization need to be associated with the plant. If
Okay.
the purchase organization is not linked to the plant, you cannot purchase material in that plant,
Yes.
right? So this is the
Yes.
way why we are linked to the purchase organization to plant. And third one was the standard purchase organization. What is the standard purchase organization? In SAP, there will be two type of procurement process. One is called as the standard procurement, another one is called as the special procurement. Special procurement means standard material means what? You just procure the material, some general material, right? But SAP having some special procurement. Special procurement में क्या आता है? Like consignment process, subcontracting process, pipeline materials, right? So these are coming under the special procurement. Though procurement will take in place in some special cases, right? To do that procurement, that special procurement, we need a standard purchase organization, right? So that's why we did the third configuration,
Okay.
right? So those part we will cover throughout the classes. When the classes will go ahead, right, you will learn many things, right? But yes, as of now, what you have to practice: how to create the company, how to create the company code, how to create the plant, how to create the storage location, right? And purchasing organization, and how we have to assign with each other. And most important is you should have the like remember the definition: what is company, what is the company code, what is plant, what is storage location. Because if you are not completely understood like what is company code, you always like say the like your fundamental will not clear, right? So that's why you should remember the definition: what is company, what is company code, right? Company is always the topmost organization level. Company code is coming under the company, and which are the different entity or a different business within the company. Got it?
Okay. Yes.
Yes. So these are the enterprise structure part. But yes, I will go for the last one: how to check the enterprise structure. We already interlink, right? How the structure is happen, how you can check. So to check enterprise structure, there is a T code EC01. EC01 is a T code to create the structure, to check the structure. I just go
Okay.
for EC01. EC01 is the T code. So see, when you will practice, the system will log out automatically. When you leave the system ideally, so
Yes.
it
Yes.
will
I
log
know.
out automatically. So go for the EC01. Let's go for the EC01. You'll find a screen like this. Then go for the structure. Then go for the navigation. Click on continue. So find here, find option. Put your company code. Our company code was PUNI. So this is our company code. So double click here. You will find like this. Then double click here again. So this is the structure we have created. So this is our company. Credit control is copy from the standard one from 1000. So just ignore this one. So within company there is the plant. This is the plant we have created. If you click on the plus symbol, you'll find the storage location what we have created.
Okay. Okay.
1000, 2000, and all. Here the purchase organization. Within purchase organization, we have linked to the company code and plant. And here if you click here, this is the storage location we have created. So this is the structure of the company.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes. So this was our first topic, enterprise structure. So practice this one.
Okay.